Good morning friends, welcome to SNRG Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Ltd. This company share price has fallen almost 24% from its all-time high of 860. If you check the 1 year chart, that high touched was 860 and currently the share price is trading at 552.15. So almost 24% fall has happened. Still you can see that the current share price is trading below its intrinsic value, and the return versus FT rates and entry point and red flags all are green. So today we will be analyzing this share and we will be going through the fundamentals of this company, and we will be checking whether is there any investment opportunity available for us. We will be formulating a investment plan to invest in this company. This is the snapshot of this company and how its sales, profit and stock price CAGR and return on equity performed over the years. For the sales growth, for the 10 years, the compounded sales growth is 18%, and for the 5 years, 28%, and 3 years, 26%, which is very good. And for the profit also, for 10 years, compounded profit growth is 53%, and for 5 years, 67, and for 3 years, 151. That is also very good. And the share price also gone high, and it was given good CAGR of for the 10 years 33%, and for the 5 years 30%, and for the 3 years 62%, and return on equity also very good. So all these basic things are good, and the company is generating profit, and the company is having good sales growth also. So then we will be analyzing the overall chart for the maximum chart, total chart. Here you can see that it was till 2020 July the share price has started of going up, and till that it was trading near to 200 level, 200 250 level. From there was a sudden jump happened, and we'll be analyzing the reason for this sudden jump also. And then for the 1 year chart, if you see, the company share price is correcting, and almost 25% it got corrected, and we'll be analyzing what could be the reason also in this coming slides. And this is that overall picture, and the share price has given tremendous return over the period. If you can see here, you can see that for 10 years the CAGR was 33%, so that is very good. This is the key highlights of this company, and the company is having around 2000 plus employees, and this is mainly working in chemical and pharmaceutical sector and other parameter. The main thing is that the company is a debt free company. So the debt free company means we'll have a good fund. This company is having good fundamental, and we'll be analyzing how the debt history of this company also. Currently the company is debt free company, which is very positive, and the company is generating good sales, and the company is having good profit also. That is also very good. This is the 5 years financial performance. See, you can see that over the financial years the revenue gone up, and that is consistently it was going up. And then the debt to equity ratio, if you see in the slide here, you can see that there was earlier there was very high debt to equity, but currently at present the debt to equity ratio is 0. So the company was having the debt, but they have cleared all the debt, and now the debt is 0. So that is very good and positive sign. And here also revenue and margins are going up, so the company is having good fundamentals, and it is worth considering for us to considering investment in this company. This is the basic snapshot, and here you can see that the main thing is that the current P is 8.22 only. That is very good, and it's a undervalued company compared to its earning. So that is very good. And in this time when the stock market is trading at a very top level, the investment should be done in a low PE company which is generating good sales and profit also. In such cases, even if the fall is happening, we are sure that we'll be having the good company in our hand, so that will not make any big problem. And the company is having good dividend also. Dividend yield is 1.09%. We'll be checking the history of this dividend also for this company. And the other thing is that ROCE and ROE are very good, very positive 54 percentage of ROCE and 43 percentage of ROE. That is also companies generating good revenue and profit from their whatever investment they have done, and debt to equity ratio is also 0. That is very good. It is worth we should be considering this company for our investment, and we should be keeping an eye on this company, and the other thing is that there are some risk factors also. We'll be analyzing that also when we are formulating a strategy. So these are the pros and cons of this company. Company is debt free company, and the profit growth and the sales growth are also very good, and good return on equity and ROCE also very good. These are the main positive things. There is no such negative things, but still we'll be analyzing what are the negative things also in the coming slides. This is the shareholding pattern. Here you can see that there was a jump happened in the share price when we analyzed the chart. That happened in June 2020 time. This is because mainly because FIS accumulated this stock at a very large quantity. See here, March 2020 it was only 2.61 the shareholding percentage. Now they are having 6.47 percentage. That in 2020, that was very accumulation happened from FIA side. DIs are holding almost, there is no much difference at that point of time, and the public reduced the holding. So this was the main reason for the sudden jump in the share price. Now if you see the trend, currently they are reducing their holding. They are means they may be booking profit from their whatever investment they have done. That's why the share price is correcting. So we'll be analyzing we should be analyzing the trend in coming quarters also, how it's going. But considering current the valuation and the company earning and profitability, the company is fundamentally good. They may be booking their profit. FAs may be booking their profit. DIs reduced their holding from that level. Currently they are having 0.04 percentage only. At the same time, public increased their holding. That is a good thing. And this is mainly we need to watch because the share price is in a downward trend, and almost 25 percentage got corrected within 1 year. So this may be the reason, and if they further again they reduce their holding, then the price will be correcting again. So we should be when we are going to invest in this company, we should be aware of this situation, and we should be planning as per this situation, because if they reduce slowly in every quarter, the FIs reduce their holding, then we will not see any increase in our profit or any capital gain happening in this share, because we invested, the share price will be in downward trend. So we should be factoring this when we are going for investment. Only long-term investment is suggested in this company. We should not be going for a short-term investment, because currently the share price is going downward and the FIs are selling, and this may continue in coming quarters also. In that case, we will not be generating profit from this share. This is the fundamentals, profit and loss of this company, and if you can see that the net profit in 2010 it was 10 crore, and then in 2015-16 time they generated a loss also. From there 2019 onwards they have shown a significant profitability, and currently they are having good profit from their business. So that is very good, and earning per share also in the last 2019 2021 time they have generated good profit. So recently only company started performing well, and earlier it was generating loss also. We should be having a view on this, because this may be happen that there could be a cycle happening, and we may be seeing a good a positive trend, and in further going it may go to negative trend also. But currently we can analyze the company based on the current financials only, and the current financial is very good, and the company is generating good revenue and profit and sales also company is having. So this should be continuing, but we should keep in mind that there could be a cycle also. In that case, we will be seeing some negative trend in coming quarters. We should be factoring this also while we are doing investment. This is the earning per share trend taken from Money Control. This is you can see that over the period of time this gone up only, basic earning per share gone up, and dividend also they from March 2020-21 they have started giving dividend. In March 2020 3 rupees per share they have given, and March 2021 they have given 6 rupees per share. That is very good. If this trend is continuing, then we can get good dividend also from this company. And then debt to equity also, earlier in March 2017 debt to equity ratio was 2.26. Currently in March 2021 the debt to equity ratio is 0. That is very good. The company was having high debt to equity in previous years, but over the period of time they have reduced their whole debt to equity, and currently they are having zero debt to equity. That is very good and a very positive sign, and it is a sign of the company is having good fundamentals, and the company is increasing their profitability. That is a good sign. So finally we need to have a formulated strategy. See here the currently the share price is trading at 552. It may correct further also, because the FIs are reducing their holding. That may be some partial, they may be doing some partial booking. So considering that the earlier the spike of the share price movement happened from 200 250 level. From that level, if you are considering, then this was the point. So currently the share price is trading at 552. So we can expect around 300 level this could fall. We cannot exactly figure out how long it will fall. It is all based on the FIA activity. If they are selling all the stakes they have accumulated, then it will fall to 250 level also. But we can expect them to retain some of their investment. In that case, 300 level we will be planning. So the share price could fall up to 300 level, assuming that we will be starting accumulating at the price 552, because the currently also at this price also the company is trading at very attractive valuation, PE of 8 only, and the current price also intrinsic current price is below its intrinsic value, and we cannot blindly go by this prediction. But still, if we are figuring out the company profitable is very profitable and generating good growth, ROCE ROE also good, so over the period of time, long term view, it is surely the price will go up only. And if we are figuring out to whether when to start investing, we should accumulate the stock from this price onwards, and 552 level. So you can do partial investment only. Do not go for a bulk investment. Keep some portion of your keep some portion of your investable amount for further accumulation, because at 550 level we'll be accumulating, then 500 level also we should accumulate, 450 level also we should accumulate, 400 level, till 300 we need to accumulate this stock, because the company fundamentals are good, and never go for beyond 10% of your portfolio, overall portfolio, because even if the share price is good and company fundamentals are good, it is not, we cannot assure that the share price will go upward. It may correct, and it may trade in a range also for some time. So we should not be going by the short term view. We should be having 3-4 years long term view, because if you see the trend also, for this period there was a only slow movement happened, and some period in between it was showing negative returns also, but later recently it has gone up. So it from here it may correct further, and it may go for 1 or 2 years in a flat trend also. That is possible. But if you are a long term investor and looking for a generating revenue over 5 years, 6 years, then slowly start accumulating the stock, because definitely the company is good and the current parameters and fundamentals are good. So over the period of time company will perform, but it is not sure whether the short term the share price will perform or not. It is all depending on whether the FIAs will accumulate or not, or DAs accumulate or not. So we can plan our investment in a staggered way, like we will be accumulating every fall, and if in between the company share gone to 450, and then from there it has gone upward trend, then okay, whatever accumulation we have done, that is enough, and we will be looking for other companies also. That should be our trend. Do not go for a bulk investment. Do not invest all of your money. Only keep a minimum investment, and the company, even if the fall is happening and the share price crash, then also we should not be regretting our investment. Only that much amount you can invest in this company. Main purpose of this video is for giving you information about this company and share price and the fundamentals. This is not a investment recommendation. You can do your own analysis and take your own decision. This is for an education purpose only. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.